BlockFi Wallet Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the BlockFi Wallet. Links to the product are included in the description for your convenience. In this video, I'll break down the features, strengths, and weaknesses of BlockFi Wallet and explain who it's designed for, ensuring you have all the information to decide if it's the right wallet for you. The BlockFi Wallet is a secure, custodial wallet offered by BlockFi, a platform best known for its crypto lending and earning services. This wallet allows users to store, send, and receive a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and stablecoins like USDC and GUSD. What sets BlockFi Wallet apart is its integration with the BlockFi ecosystem, enabling users to earn interest on their stored crypto or borrow funds using their holdings as collateral, all without transferring assets to a separate account. One standout feature of BlockFi Wallet is the interest-earning capability. Users can automatically accrue interest on eligible cryptocurrencies at competitive rates, making it a compelling choice for those looking to generate passive income. Additionally, BlockFi's custodial nature provides simplicity and ease of use, particularly for crypto newcomers who may find managing private keys daunting. Security is a priority, with assets stored using industry-leading custody solutions provided by partners like Gemini, which is a regulated New York trust company. BlockFi also implements multi-factor authentication and encryption to protect user accounts. However, as a custodial wallet, users do not hold their private keys, which may not appeal to those prioritizing full control over their assets. Among its strengths, BlockFi Wallet offers seamless integration with BlockFi's suite of financial services, interest-earning opportunities, and a straightforward, beginner-friendly interface. It's an excellent choice for users who want to simplify their crypto management while benefiting from passive income. On the downside, it lacks support for decentralized finance, DeFi applications, or direct NFT storage, and its custodial nature requires users to trust BlockFi with their funds. Additionally, the wallet is tied to a limited number of supported cryptocurrencies, which might not meet the needs of more diverse crypto investors. In summary, BlockFi Wallet is ideal for users seeking a secure, easy-to-use wallet with the added benefit of earning interest on their assets. If you're already using BlockFi or want to explore crypto as an income-generating tool, this wallet is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.